Richard Romero on the water. There goes Motley. Calvin.
1 minute to real time.
Hayden Hilton.
45 seconds to real time. 30 seconds to real time.
25 seconds.
15 seconds to real time.
'Alright, you're all done. Sorry.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
I believe that Dave Hilton was
7,
followed by
6, 5,
Mr. Romero.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That was a good start. Dave Hilton out in the lead, followed by Richard Romero putting it right on the buoy. That's Motley. That's Moore. That's Pinckney. Bob Martin didn't start. 2 down. Cut buoy on Richard Romero. Cut buoy on Richard Romero. Takes him back to the end of the longest line. We had a dead boat right at the point of turn 1. Right at the point of turn 1 in lane. So we got Dave in the lead, followed by Motley, followed by the other Hilton boy. Hilton and Motley. Ooh. 4 down Hilton. 4 down Romero.
Final lap.
Final lap.
Final lap.
That's a finish for Dave Hilton. Last lap. For Richard. Calvin Motley has a second place finish. Hayden Hilton has a third place finish. Just waiting for Richard. There he is. 4th place.
Richard Romero done. The race is concluded.
One minute, 15 seconds to real time.
Pilot station.
All right, here they go, like a pack of turtles.
Roger King. Michael King.
1 minute to real time.
Russ Stark.
All right, Motley's away.
Motley.
45 seconds to real time. 13 seconds to meal time. Seconds to meal time. Good start. That's a good start. Rogers is my leader. Got one in the back, upside down, right in the middle of the course. Going to be in lane 1-2. Actually, I'm sorry, 2-3, upside down white. Rogers is my leader. Followed by Mike. Mike's going to go on the inside. It's got a little wider. Riley's on the inside. He's going to take over position here on Russ on the inside. Nope, he dumps it. There's a dead boat at the point of 2. At the point of 2, it's going to be lane 5. Lane 5, right at the point. Rod sneaks around the inside. Michael follows him around. Russ is still out there a little wide. I'm sorry, that's not Russ. That is Jason. Halfway, Michael. Halfway, Russ. That's 4 down for my leader. 4 down, Michael. Remember the dead boat out in 2. Remember the dead boat in 2.
Final lap.
Last lap. Last lap start. Finish. First place Roger. Second place Michael. Roger, Mike, you may bring it to the shore as you come around. It's going to be 4 down for Jason. It's going to be a third place finish for Russ. Jason and Russ, and they cut the course and bring them in. And they cut the course.
The race is concluded.
Oh, I don't know. Russ, are we going to run rookie in between Cat or? We can't? Okay.
We're not in round 4. We haven't built round 4, so we can't run. We can run